Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how to approve a post. So right now we are inside the post groups feature. In order to approve a post, we have to take a look at the post that is in draft, and all that we have to do is click on this check mark over here, approve and schedule. Then we have this window over here, move post to approve. Are you sure you want to move this post to approve? And click on yes, move. This will automatically approve and schedule the post according to the group settings. Once again, the settings are those over here. On what days, at what hour, and where, on what social media profiles. So before we move on to what other options do I have for a post, I'm going to go over here to schedule and change the hour to something that is close to right now and click on save. So now, what other options do I have for a post? In the draft tab, we can approve the post, we can edit the post, we can copy the post, and we can delete the post. If we are clicking on approve and schedule, we are basically going to schedule this post based on the group settings. If we are clicking on edit, we can basically change the text, image, or any other post details. Like we can change on what post group we want this post to be saved to. If we are clicking on copy, we are creating a duplicate for this post. So let's say that this post we also want to be in the seasonal post group. So I simply change the post group from over here and click on update. And now if I'm going to seasonal, I can see my post over here. And we also have the option to delete the post. This one will permanently remove the post. So let's click on yes, delete. So let's go back to the general post group, like so, and let's approve this post as well. Yes, move. Okay, in the approve tab, we have the option to unschedule the post. This will send the post back to drafts. We have the option to edit. Once again, all the settings to edit are over here. The option to copy, which will create a duplicate, and the option to delete. So let's click on unschedule. As you can see over here, move post to draft, like so. And now the post is unscheduled, like so. And in the finish sending, we have the option to reschedule using AI. This basically will generate a new version of the caption using AI, keeping your content fresh and relevant while reusing your image or link. But in order to be able to use this feature, you will first have to go over here to your name, to account settings, to ChatGPT, and connect your ChatGPT to Squirrly Social. If you haven't done that, by clicking over here on this button, you will receive this warning that you have to first add the ChatGPT key in your account settings. So let's see the post. This one was sent to the LinkedIn profile. So by going to the LinkedIn and scrolling just a little bit, I can see my post over here, like so. Until next time.